has a round face. So it's literally...
Present.
Yeah,
Me
right?
too.
Exactly.
Well, I got Charlie Brown head. You kidding me? Yeah.
You have a beautiful head.
I got
so
Charlie
this
Brown.
is the thing. It's a circle face. It is a round face. And what you want to do is you want to see that basically the forehead and everything is very, very similar, and the width and the length are very symmetrical.
Right.
Okay, so that's what you want to do. So 1, 2, 3. Are we going to reveal? There we go.
So what techniques should we be learning from here?
So as you can see, bourgeois, hello. Thank you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you that again.
Here's our B-roll. This is what you guys
okay,
did together,
that's
right?
It. So we start a little lower than the apples and pulled it back towards her hairline, and that really kind of sculpts the face.
Carved in.
Yes,
right.
Exactly. And what we did is we wanted to create an arch here and really lift the eye.
Gotcha.
And again, that will give a little more angle.
Beautiful. Your
Isn't
eyebrows
she
look
beautiful?
great, don't they? All right, now Emma is sitting behind a paper plate of her head. Sorry, Emma. So what is her face shape?
She has an oval face. So this is sort of like a rounded rectangle shape. If you're looking, it's very, it's the widest part is here, but it really does fill out as well on the bottom. And this is technically known as the most desirable face shape. But
oh, well, good for you, Emma.
Thank you. So here we go. We're going to show you what we did with her blush and her brows. What? I know.
Let's look at her B-roll and see what you two girls were up to.
All right, so we started with the blush in the center of the cheek, but again, back towards the ear.
Gotcha.
So again, that added some width in the center of her face, and we took the brow, and again, this is supposed to be the most desirable, so you can do any brow you want, y'all, if you have an oval-shaped face. But what we did here is, again, she's got a beautiful brow. We filled it in, elongated it, added a little more width at the top.
Your brows are stunning.
I mean,
yeah, no, really good.
Thank you. Thank you. Come on over. We're going to start with MC. And we are going to talk about a heart-shaped face. Heart-shaped face is when the chin is a little bit pointier and a little wider at the top. So it's going to go like a little
the shape of a heart.
There you go. So smart.
Thus the name.
Exactly. So let's talk about the blush first, because at the end of the day, you want to put it in the right place to really accentuate the cheekbones, right? Because if you have a heart-shaped face, those cheekbones are popping, girl. So you really want to make them stand out. So what you're going to do is I like to smile. There you go. And not on the apples of the cheeks, right? You're going to go lower than the apples, just like so. And we're going to do kind of a C. And that's going to really, really soften the shape so it's not too angular.
Right.
And then also, again, make those cheekbones stand out like nobody's business, honey.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. So that's number 1. So that's going to give you that beautiful, beautiful halo of light and brighten the whole thing. Now let's talk about brows. When you want to, when you have an angular face, you want the brows to be a little softer. So you don't want to go for a crazy high arch. You want them to be sort of rounded. So first and foremost, I always like to start by brushing the brows up first.
Right.
Right? You really want to see what you're starting with here. And I'll go right here to really show you. So she has a tiny bit of an arch. We really want it to be nice and soft. So using short, feathery strokes, we're going to fill in right about here. Because what we want to do is kind of elongate
that line.
Exactly. And also make the tail a little bit longer. That's going to widen out everything here and really give her a beautiful, beautiful soft arch. So just like so.
So you're making more of a heart,
yes,
literally, on her face.
Exactly.
You did a C here.
Yes, ma'am.
And elongating up here. So
yes.
you're really pointing out that she has a heart shape.
Exactly. Thank you. And then again, by keeping those brows nice and soft, oh, look at this little baby. We are really going to, this gets me very excited, as you can see. And it gives you that
When
beautiful...
Mally's done, can you guys do one of those split screen things?
Split screen. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.